Okay, good morning guys, Cash Money Dollar channel here. Okay, I'm actually located at this Labrador Park. Opposite of me is Fort Siloso, Sentosa Island. Okay, what you can see, this one, there's something like a cave, and you can just follow me for a while and look at this. Okay, there's a cave below. Okay, inside it, I do not know. I can't see. Actually, we can go in, but it's a bit dangerous. Okay, you can see that it is below this particular staircase. There's a staircase here. Can you see that? There's a staircase to climb up to the top of this hill, whereby you can see the Sentosa Island. I believe this is a place for them to defend themselves. There's also bunkers just now at my right side for me. Okay, you could see just now from below there is a hole. I believe that's the hole that's going into the underneath of this hill, the top of this hill, and maybe they can pass through these bunkers. Okay, come, let's follow me to the bunkers. Uh, this bunkers is called the machine gun post. Okay, so here, if you come follow me, go up of this staircase. Okay, let's see inside. What is it inside? Yeah, it's a bit dark. Okay, can't see so much. And this is the bunkers overlooking the seas. This is called Labrador Park.